Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. And in this video, I just wrapped up my homemade chocolate cake. And I have some cake scraps that are left over. You know what I love doing with cake scraps? That's right, making bread pudding. So in this video, I am going to make a chocolate raspberry bread pudding. Let's get started. As you can see, I just finished up the cake. I'm gonna go ahead and use this pan anyway. I just popped a cake out. Let's pop it back in. We'll start by cubing our cake tops. We'll need about 2 to 3 cups of a bread of some sort. In this instance, we're using chocolate cake. Okay, next, I will mash the raspberries. I've got about 1.5 cups of frozen raspberries that I have thawed out. I'll also add a 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. Those are left over from the cannoli cake. Mix the ingredients together. All right. We'll pour it in our pan. For our egg mixture, I have 2 eggs. Here's a 1/4 cup of the chocolate frosting that I just used on the homemade chocolate cake, and a little pinch of sea salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of espresso powder. Pour our egg mixture over our cake mixture. Now we're going to wait 1 hour before going to the hot coals. Really let that egg mixture permeate all through the cake. Oh, that is nice. That is really, really into the cake bits there. Okay. Get some chocolate chips on this. We're ready to go to the hot coals. We'll bake our bread pudding at 350 degrees until it's firm and no longer jiggly. To get a 5-quart 10-inch Dutch oven to 350 degrees, I will need to place 8 on bottom and 14 on top. Click on the video description to learn about briquette placement for temperature control. 10 minutes has passed. We will rotate the oven and the lid to prevent hot spots and scorching. And we will come back. Woo! We'll come back in 10 minutes. "30 minutes has passed. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Let's see how jiggly it is. It's looking good. It's smelling good. I think that that's about done. chocolate raspberry bread pudding. The tartness of the raspberry really complements the chocolate. The chocolate is, it's not overly sweet. It has almost a bitterness to it. I could eat this all day. Why is it that when it comes to the bread pudding, well, man, I prefer the bread pudding from the scraps over whatever it is that I made the original? Use your cake scraps, make a bread pudding. It is so good. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching.